This looks like a standard vintage pocket watch, right? Wrong. This is a masterpiece from 1972, and it hides a secret that watch collectors will fight over. Built by Patek Philippe, this reference 955 is a Grand Complication. It features a perpetual calendar that tracks leap years, a romantic moon phase, and a mechanical minute repeater that literally chimes the exact time on miniature gold gongs. But look closer at the dial. See those gorgeous stylized numerals? Even though this is a Patek Philippe, those are called Breguet numerals. Named after Abraham Louis Breguet, this font is incredibly rare on vintage Patek pieces. Finding them in solid yellow gold, perfectly balanced with the calendar subdials, turns this from a mere watch into a museum-grade holy grail. Dating back to 1972, this wasn't something you could just walk into a boutique and buy. It was strictly a bespoke, made-to-order commission for royalty and the world's elite. Will you acquire this wearable museum piece? Drop your comments below and follow for more rare timepieces. I'll see you in the next one.